NEET Academy. Excellence lies in its name itself. I am Kamala. I am proud to say that I am a student of Excellent NEET Academy. The other name can be given for this academy was a hardworking group. The staff and the faculties are so dedicated, determined, challenging persons. They give 100% and 100% they will do hard work. One thing I like in this academy was a supportiveness towards the students and personal care towards the students. They may be poor in their studies and intelligence in their studies. This academy makes the students in such a way that they can lead their life in the self-confidence, disciplined way and the self-respect. They listen the problems of the students in a good manner and they give the 100% solution to the problems. And there is a friendly environment is there between the students and the teachers, which makes the students to clear their doubts and understand the concepts in the better manner. And this academy is worth to make the best doctors. Thank you.